What's up guys, my name's Nick.
My name's Nathan.
And this is Full Throttle Cars. In today's video we're going to be doing a headlight and tail light replacement on Nathan's 2008 Honda Civic. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video.
Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take out this washer fluid reservoir. To do that, it's not really bolted or nailed in, so you just kind of have to wiggle it out. It's like that, and it's very simple, and then you will be able to reach down in there, and I will show you guys that right here. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do is actually reach down in there and then twist the bulb that's already in there, and you'll pull it out. Now this bulb is already out from the last time that we worked on this, so once that's out you'll be able to pull it up, and here, you can hold on to that there, Nick. And you'll pull this up and unplug it from this cable right here. Alright, so once you have that done, you'll take this little bulb right here and you'll plug it in. Should hear a little bit of a click. Then you'll put it back down under and you'll push it in to that same place, and you're just going to twist it the opposite way from where you had it in before, and it will be a little bit hard to angle in. Once you get it, you should be able to tell because it will be tight in there. Alright guys, so once you do have that bulb tight in, you should feel whenever you wiggle it, the entire reflecting system right in there will wiggle a little bit. So you have that in, and it's really very simple. Put this right back down into where it came from. Might be a little bit hard, especially if you have light bar wires everywhere. You guys remember that video? But then you are done with that headlight, and we can move on to the taillight now. Alright guys, so if you did not already notice what we were putting in the headlight at the front of the car, I am wearing the Full Throttle Car t-shirt. Nick and I both have one of these, and we do plan to sell Full Throttle Car t-shirts at 1,000 subscribers, so please share our videos and do whatever you can to help us reach 1,000 subscribers if you do want a t-shirt. We will try to come up with other designs to appeal to different tastes, so yeah, at 1,000 subscribers we will sell these, and I hope you guys like them. Alright guys, so the first step on replacing your tail light is going to be in this little pull tab right here. So these were all over the front of the car when we were putting on the light bar, and basically there's an inner and an outer, that the outer expands and the inner pushes inside of it to make it expand, and I'm pulling on that right now, as you can see, and basically once it comes out to the right distance, the whole thing comes out just like that. So that is the first step in replacing the tail light, and then this right here should be able to just pull down, and if you can see all that, now those are all the bulbs and the bulb connections for the tail light, and we're going to show you how to replace those. Alright guys, so our light is this bottom one here, and you should be able to diagnose it, and whenever you go to your store, make sure you do get the right bulb for the job. But anyway, for this bottom orange piece right here, all you have to do is twist it counterclockwise, and then it'll pull right out, as you can see, just like that. Now I do have this other bulb, and actually, you know what, I have them in the center console of the car, so I'll grab those real quick. I just realized I grabbed the wrong bulb. So yeah, they are these 7443 Sylvania bulbs, and there's something that is really important about these bulbs right here. It's that when you are installing them, you take some sort of a rag, a clean rag at that is oil free, whenever you put them back into this, and make sure you do not touch them, and you only touch the plastic once you have them inside of that, because the oil on your fingers will get on top of these bulbs, and these bulbs cool in a very unordinary way, to where basically if you get any oil on them, they will trap heat within themselves and they will burn out so quick, and you'll just spend a lot of money on bulbs that is unnecessary. So yeah, I'm going to open this up right here, and you can see that I'm taking special care not to touch the bulb, and once I do grab it, I grab it with this rag. So you can see like that, and really it's quite simple. Again, you take it and you'll just push it right into that, and it's stuck right in there. So you got that, and it's a little bit odd. Once you get that in there, you'll push it in, and then you'll rotate it clockwise this time, and you'll feel it snap. And that's that for putting the light itself in. After that, what you want to do is push this back forth, make sure it's on top of this hole right here, if you guys can see that. Take this piece that you saved from earlier, push it into the hole. If you're not able to push it in, it's probably because it was pushed in whenever you were messing with it from earlier. So yeah, you'll want to push that in, and then you'll just want to shove that down, and you can see it does not want to come back up. And another thing you'll want to do is just make sure that all of this cloth here is underneath this rubber seal. You know, if you don't, then there is a chance that water will get in there. That's never good, and it just looks a lot better and helps keep this from just pulling out like I just did. So yeah, with that, your head and taillight replacement is over.
Alrighty guys, so that is going to do it for this video today. If you enjoyed, be sure, go down, drop a like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, share the channel, help us reach 1,000 subscribers. We'll be doing, releasing these shirts, as well as hopefully some more designs as well when we hit 1,000 subscribers, if you guys are interested. So until next video, we will see you later.
Bye guys.